How to make your Windows 11 run faster. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video, I'll show you how you can make your Windows 11 run faster. So you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to make your Windows 11 run faster, all you need to do is first of all, just go ahead and launch the settings application. Then go to the option called notifications and turn off notifications. Especially from third-party apps, the notification is actually a really annoying thing because they always pop up while you're doing some kind of activities. Then after that, you want to come back to the system tab and then go to the option called power and battery. Once you go to power and battery, here you want to make sure that the power mode is actually set to the best performance. And even when you're not charging, you might want to optimize this for yourself. Then after that, come back to the system tab again and then go to storage. Once you come to storage, over here you'll be able to see the temporary files. So all you need to do is make sure first of all let it to scan the temporary files. Once it scans all these temporary files, make sure to delete all of this by checking them. So just make sure to check all these details over here. Once you check these details, all you need to do is just select the option called remove files right over here. So I'm not just going to click the downloads. I'm just going to choose the option called remove files, and then the selected file and the data will be permanently deleted. So tap on the continue option to do so. Now if this doesn't help, the other thing you can also try to do is navigate to the gaming folder. On Windows, you can go to game mode and then make sure to turn on game mode. This will actually optimize your PC for play by turning things off in the background. These are some of the ways on how you can make your Windows 11 run faster and more efficiently. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.